Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about best Amazon fund governance practices. When I look at the Amazon fund, a couple of key governance pillars stand out that are critical for its success and trustworthiness. I've seen firsthand how a strong structure ensures the money goes where it's supposed to protecting the Amazon rainforest. The first essential practice is multi-stakeholder guidance. The fund's guidance committee brings together representatives from the federal government, Amazon state governments, and civil society. This isn't just a formality. It's a practice of inclusion that ensures decisions reflect diverse regional, governmental, and local community interests. I've learned that when you involve the people most affected, like indigenous groups and traditional communities, in setting the guidelines, you get more relevant and sustainable project outcomes. This shared decision-making is vital to maintain legitimacy and trust among all parties, especially the international donors. Secondly, you need clear, performance-based criteria. My experience shows that a major strength of this fund is its focus on results. Donations are linked to verified reductions in deforestation-related carbon emissions. This pay-for-performance model is a game-changer because it incentivizes effective policy implementation by the government. It's not just about spending money. It's about achieving measurable impact, and I find that level of accountability incredibly powerful in finance and conservation. Third is operational independence and technical expertise. The Brazilian Development Bank, or BNDES, manages the fund. This provides a level of technical capacity and financial rigor that is hard to match. They handle the operational side, the project selection, contracting, and financial monitoring, separate from the policy-setting body. This separation of powers, along with the involvement of a technical committee to independently certify the emissions calculations, adds another layer of security and transparency to the financial management and environmental metrics. Finally, transparency and accountability are paramount. Every fund I've seen succeed publishes its guidelines, activity reports, and project details. This openness allows both donors and the public to monitor the money trail and the results. Strong monitoring and evaluation mechanisms, including social and environmental safeguards, ensure projects are not just environmentally sound, but also respect the rights and welfare of local communities. This rigorous oversight is what ensures the fund's long-term viability and appeal to global partners. In my view, the combination of multi-stakeholder participation, performance-based funding, strong technical management, and radical transparency represents the gold standard for funds focused on complex, high-stakes environmental issues. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.